Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be looking into a news related to a man-portable air defense systems, and this is not something which is an imported one, but an indigenous one. As per the sources, looks like DRDO, which is the Defense Research and Development Organization, has started working on the indigenous man-portable air defense systems. Before getting into more details about this indigenous system of India, let us first understand the weapon more. So, what actually is this man portable air defense system all about? The man portable air defense systems are surface to air missiles that can be fired by an individual or a small team of people against the aircrafts. These weapon systems often are described as shoulder fired anti aircraft missile systems. There are generally three types of man-portable air defense systems, and they are the command line of sight, the laser-guided one, and the infrared seekers. The command line of sight man-portable defense systems are guided to their targets through the use of a remote control. The next one, which is the laser-guided, follow a laser projected onto the target. Coming to the third one, which is the most common man-portable air defense systems, are the infrared seekers, and this acquires the target by detecting the heat of an aircraft's engine. The man-portable air defense systems, which India is working, would be of the third type, which is the infrared homing seeker, and this system would be weighing between 20 to 25 kilograms. This system can engage targets during day and night time, and it has the capability of fire and forget. Major man-portable air defense systems producing countries are China, France, Russia, Sweden, United Kingdom, and the United States. Now seeing India trying to get into this list is something good for the Indian defense sources. Normally, any country would use the man-portable air defense systems in high altitude, desert and coastal areas. It can also be mounted on various platforms as MBTs and warships. More details are awaited from the DRDO, and we would be following up on the same and upload another video on the same. So that was a quick update on the indigenous man-portable air defense system, which is being designed by India, and we also saw what actually this weapon is all about. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.